Most of them walk into class pretty excited, especially when we're doing a lab day. During this class, we have a lot more hands-on, but we also get to incorporate basically our class and classroom knowledge with true stuff that we see everywhere, see what's really happening in the body.
Coming in, I wanted to be a nurse, and taking this class, I'm like, no, I'm gonna be an athletic trainer, and I'm very excited about it. Worked with the football team all season, so I traveled to Vegas with them, went to all the away games, all the home games, did all the JV games with our athletic trainer. This stuff, you're actually doing something and you're putting it into action, putting it into play, especially the third year. You get to go onto the field and do what you've been training for the last 2 years, so that was really fun.
Taping is my favorite. It was my favorite in college. It's definitely my favorite here. The ankle tape is the one basically everyone starts with because it's the hardest, but then it's the most rewarding. We learn how to splint for the first time, and I really don't actually help them. I just say, here's this, how would I do this? Give me something in real life so they get to learn how to use sweatshirts, use anything that you might have. And that really definitely gets them excited in seeing what they can figure out and basically think their way through problems.